Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. So as we have seen in the previous video that the servant brought some mangoes and he was dicing those mangoes, but the mangoes were so sweet that he started eating those mangoes and soon there were no mangoes left. So अभी वो क्या कर रहा था, मैंने बोला था कि वो थिंक कर रहा था कि अभी मैंगोज़ है नहीं, गेस्ट आ गए, मैं गेस्ट को क्या दूंगा. सो लेट अस सी what story has he cooked. Okay, he grabbed a rusty knife, rushed to his master and said that I can't cut the mangoes, the knife is too blunt. I'll sharpen it, Gopal offered, and went to the sharpening wheel in the garden shed. Okay, so now what he does, the servant goes to the master और वो बोल रहा है कि ये नाइफ शार्प नहीं है, प्लीज़ you know sharpen this knife, it is very blunt, I am not able to cut the mangoes. So Gopal is saying that give, I will sharpen it, and then he goes to the sharpening wheel in the garden shed. As you all have also seen, cycle वाले आते हैं, they sharpen the knives, yes or no? So just like that, that sharpening wheel गोपाल हैड इन हिज गार्डन शेड. ओके, द व्हील जो होता है वो पूरा व्हील गार्डन में था. सो ही टुक द नाइफ एंड ही वेंट टूवर्ड्स द शार्पनिंग व्हील. देन द सर्वेंट रैन आउट टू मीट द मैन हु वॉज कमिंग. Beware, beware, he said anxiously. Don't come to our house, he pleaded. My master has gone mad. He wants to cut off both your ears. Now what he is doing, अभी मास्टर तो व्हील पे बैठा है, शार्प कर रहा है नाइफ. देन ही रैन टूवर्ड्स द मैन, ओके, हु वॉज कमिंग एज अ गेस्ट. सो मैन को क्या बोल रहा है सर्वेंट, बीवेयर बीवेयर. क्यों? सावधान सावधान. वाई? बिकॉज ही सेज दैट यू डोंट कम टू आवर हाउस, बिकॉज माई मास्टर हैज़ गॉन मैड. मेरा मास्टर पागल हो गया है. एंड वॉट ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू, ही वॉन्ट्स टू कट ऑफ बोथ योर ईयर्स. कट माई ईयर्स, एक्सक्लेम द मैन टर्निंग पेल. वाई? So he is asking to the servant that why your master want to cut my ears. Yes, see there, he is sharpening a knife, said the servant, pointing at his master. The man saw that his host did really have a knife in his hand and was sharpening it. He also had a very strange look on his face. So now what reason is the servant giving to the man? That look, see, my master is sharpening his knife. Okay, and looking at this scene, the guest got scared. ठीक है, गेस्ट को डर लगने लगा कि ये क्यों नाइफ शार्प कर रहा है, ये मुझे क्यों मेरे ईयर्स कट करना है उसको. बट द रीज़न वॉज डिफरेंट. रीज़न तो कुछ और ही था. सर्वेंट ने मास्टर को क्यों नाइफ दिया था, क्योंकि उसने ऐसा बोला कि मैंगोस नहीं कट हो रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ वाई यू शार्पन दिस नाइफ. एंड ही टोल्ड द गेस्ट को कुछ और बोला कि उसको आपके ईयर्स काटने हैं, इसीलिए वो नाइफ शार्प कर रहा है. सो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी. द सर्वेंट कुक्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट पेज. I am not going in there, he told the servant firmly, and turning around quickly started walking away as fast as he could. The servant rushed back to his master and told him that the guest had run away with the mangoes. अभी ये सुन के तो कोई भी गेस्ट रुकेगा कि मेरे ईयर काटना चाहता है? नो. तो वो गेस्ट फटाफट चला गया. दैट एंड as soon as the guest went, the servant rushed to his master. अभी उसने मास्टर को वापस क्या बोला कि देखो देखो आपका गेस्ट मैंगोज लेके भाग गया. Gopal with the knife still in his hand ran after the man shouting, please give me one, please give me at least one. The other man thought he was asking for one of his ears and he ran for his life. as you can see in the picture. Okay, Gopal is having a knife in his hand and he is running behind the guest. Okay, so अभी मास्टर के हाथ में नाइफ तो ऑलरेडी था, तो नाइफ उसको ऐसा नहीं कि नाइफ में रख के जाऊँ, हाथ में ही था एंड ही वॉज रनिंग बिहाइंड द गेस्ट. और वो क्या बोल रहा था, प्लीज़ गिव मी वन एटलीस्ट. क्या उनका क्या मतलब था कि 1 मैंगो एटलीस्ट दे दो, बट गेस्ट को क्या लगा कि वो ईयर्स मांग रहा है कि गिव मी 1 ऑफ योर ईयर. दिस मेड द गेस्ट more scared, and what happened, he ran, okay, very fastly. The other man thought he was asking for one of his ears and ran for his life. The children laughed and laughed as Grandpa mimicked the man holding on to his ears and running away. I can't stop laughing, said Ashraf. So now this was the story and the children were laughing. Why? Because the grandpa was doing the actions that the man was holding his ears and he was running away. And Ashraf said that I can't stop laughing. And now for the riddle. Has anyone thought to the answer, asked Grandpa. So now what is Grandpa asking, that now as I have completed my story, now give me the answer of my riddle. Yes, I have, Meena said excitedly. I think you meant he saw a man go, which means he bought an apple. Okay, so now apple or mango was the option of what the man had brought from the shop. So man go means the only fruit which was remaining was apple. So the answer of the grandpa's riddle was apple. Brilliant thinking, Meena. Let's clap for her, said Grandpa. So Meena's answer was correct. So Grandpa told to clap, everyone to clap, because Meena gave a very nice answer. And for you, Grandpa, they all chorused. So what did you learn from the story, asked Grandpa. So now Grandpa is asking the moral of the story. So don't do bad things and you won't have to tell lies, Zoe observed promptly. So Zoe, one of the student, replied that you don't do bad things. अगर गलत चीज़ें नहीं करोगे तो झूठ बोलने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं. Grandpa was happy that they had understood the story. So this was the story. I hope you all have understood it through the video. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.